No, I've come here to meet our people who are in the party organization. I've come here to meet people who are our candidates. Article 370 is there in the country, in the part of constitution. All that we said in the party at some point of time was that there are a lot of such things in the country which need to be discussed so that we can ensure that they work for the benefit of people. I'm quite sure if people like rest of the country, they choose development as the main plank, party will do extremely well. Because none of the other parties, mainstream or otherwise, in Jammu and Kashmir has brought in development for people. We have seen what kind of development has taken place. We have seen what has happened in the recent floods. We have seen, I can keep narrating incidents to you where the governments have floundered out here. And these are the parties which today are saying that they want to get maximum seats in Jammu and Kashmir. None of them has benefited the people so far. So I think a time has come for people to choose a party which will stand by them in the developmental needs of the state. So the dialogue process has been stopped because if you are firing at me, you are stopping my ability to talk to you. That is all. So that is what has been conveyed by telling Pakistan that look here, you can't do both the things together. There is no threat to China in Jammu and Kashmir, is it? Ladakh. Yes, Ladakh there is. There is a ongoing dialogue process on that. There is a line of actual control. The perceptions differ of both the countries on the line of control. And I think in the recent talks between our Prime Minister and the President of People's Republic of China, these issues have been talked of. We will see the results as the time goes by. People start feeling insecure, they start talking of such things. No sane political leader, no mature political leader will ever talk of things like this. Let me clarify two things. Armed Forces Special Power Act is only an enabling act. It does not give unlimited powers. This case had gone to Supreme Court. Supreme Court, after having a look at the type of restrictions that the army has imposed, said these are in tune with the thinking of the Supreme Court. So, army does not enjoy, or a soldier does not enjoy unbridled power as people try to make it out to be. Where mistakes occur, as it happened, the army has been quick to take action. We have seen what has happened in Machil. No civilian court would have given a decision in such a short time. So let's not unnecessarily do things which appear, that we are all trying to go in a particular direction. It is not so.